If your Otter.ai transcript is stuck and not updating, don't worry, this is usually a quick fix. In this video, I'll show you the most common reasons it happens and how to get your transcript moving again. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Otter.ai updates transcripts in real time, so if your connection drops, the transcript can pause or stop completely. Next, refresh the page. Sometimes the transcript is still updating in the background, but the page itself just isn't catching up. So click refresh, then wait a few seconds and see if the missing text appears. If that doesn't work, go back to your Otter.ai home screen and reopen the recording or conversation. Sometimes reopening the file forces Otter to reload the latest transcript. You should also check whether Otter is still processing the audio. For longer recordings, the transcript may take a few extra minutes to finish. Look for a message like processing or a spinning icon near the file name. Still not updating? Try signing out of your account and then signing back in. This can refresh your session and fix small account glitches that stop the transcript from loading properly. And if you're still stuck, open Otter.ai in a different browser or clear your current browser cache. Cached data can sometimes block new transcript updates from showing. That's it. One of those fixes usually gets Otter.ai updating again pretty quickly. If the transcript is still frozen after all of that, then the issue may be on Otter's side and you may need to wait a bit or contact support.